Bird, why do I have to shove it grounded? Because, Piggy, you do bad things. Like what? Trying to kill me? It's only a joke. Trying to kill me is only a joke, you say? Yeah, it's pretty funny. Well, it's not, Piggy. You're no fun. Now, Emo, don't think about killing me today. Oh, I must get revenge on him. Speaking of killing, I should kill him. Ha ha ha. Whoa, what's this? It's a falling down tree. It's been a huge thunderstorm last night. What? I have magical powers. I can turn this tree into a zombie. Just gotta use my powers. Tree, you may turn into a zombie. Oh, I think I made it work. Yes! I have turned this tree into a zombie. Now, tree zombie, go kill Redbird. Yes, yes, yes. Piggy, what the hell is that thing? Repair Redbird for my zombie tree. Now kill him. Oh. What the hell? Oh, I forgot to drink my potion. I just remembered that I didn't have that much power in me today. Damn it, I'm so stupid. Yes, you are. Shut up. This. No. So now, you stupid tree. You're grounded.